Hello guys, welcome back to another new video. This video I'll show how to hide or unhide Excel database. So now click start button and go to Excel 2016 and open new documents. So I'm just click blank workbook, okay, and click full screen. So now I am input a file, just order with nulls, okay. Now open this file and just I am hide column and just number and column, click C column, just click right button and this hide, okay, and column H and click hide. So now I am 2 column is hide and click row number 10 and click right button and click hide, and 20 row click right button, click hide. So now I'm just hide 2 row and 2 column. So how to unhide again? So just click 11 and shift click 12 and just click right button and unhide options, okay. Click draw number 11 or 12 and click right button, then click unhide. So guys, not showing unhide again. So guys, now I'm just pressing problem. So just I'm how to unhide column. So number first A and B and D. So now I'm just unhide C column. So just click B and drag B and D, select and click right button and just click unhide. So just column C is enable. So guys, next time chat with another new video.